Today's vlog may be a little bit different because Max and Danika like to do everything they possibly can to sabotage us. That's all.
Hi vlog, ladies and gents.
They've always been like that.
So
They're our high school buddies from a long time ago.
yeah, so things might be a little unorthodox today. Slash for the next few days.
They're totally gonna sabotage this entire program.
We just woke up in Whistler and we slept in and our home is turned into a sauna.
Yeah, I think the lens is a bit steamy, and it's true because it's that hot.
Happy birthday, Max!
Oh,
Welcome to the vlog!
let's go!
Here's Danika. Making oatmeal and he's making pancakes for Max for his birthday.
So Max started making pancakes, and he drops the fork in the batter and says, "I'm not making breakfast on my birthday." So I've taken over now. Ooh, clean. Devin's done it again.
We're doing it again.
Doing it again with her sexy oatmeal bowls.
I'm still wearing the same clothes as yesterday because I haven't changed yet.
Devin's gross.
How was the pancakes?
It's delicious. This is awesome. Better with your shirt off.
There you go.
Oh, is it?
I knew that.
I was actually wondering when I was wearing my shirt all morning.
And Dan, how's your oats?
Amazing.
If I do, then.
But the shirt will stay on.
Okay.
Oh, boo.
So we're all tarps off because it's like 34 degrees
It is
out.
hot, but we can still see the snow on these mountains. It's crazy.
We are going to do Brandywine Falls hike. I think it's a pretty easy one, right, Max?
Yeah, pretty short.
We go for a dip and then move it to the next hike.
That's the goal.
Just do some hiking and hanging out. And we have what's our deadline? 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock, we're having a party for Max.
We'll be back
Yep.
before that.
You guys
Are you guys gonna tell me?
We found the pink ribbon, ladies and gents.
We just
went
passed
past
it,
it. We went this way.
Where's the faint? No, but why aren't we following the pink ribbon?
Cause
We're trying to get to the bottom of the waterfall.
the waterfall. Our turn.
Good job, baby. Good job. We made it. Waterfalls are right there. Sorry for the bad lighting.
We can't get closer to the falls because it's raining here and we forgot our GoPro.
It's like misting, so we're gonna go swim in there.
Or at least go hang out. I
Or
almost
try.
swim. Be careful. They made it back.
Dude, that was ridiculous. The wind there, it doesn't look like much right now, but it is incredibly windy and the water hits you with such a force. And also there's a massive current. So when I sat there, I had to hold onto a rock and my legs were downstream.
That's so scary.
That's actually scary.
That's really crazy.
We're leaving the waterfall now. It was very beautiful.
Very happy we hiked down. It was really pretty.
And then we're gonna keep on trucking. That's all.
We got some birthday plans to attend to.
We made it to the beach and it looks very cute, and we're gonna go join Max and all his pals for his birthday.
Okay. So say hi to the vlog.
I vlog. Max's cousin.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Say hi, Kurt.
Hey, Danika.
It's now my vlog, ladies and gents. Let's go see what Deb and Keith are up to. I think they're trying to fly their drone. You see the beautiful lake that we were just swimming at? Mountains. Look who it is. I'm sorry, it's probably not on the right lighting that you like or any of the above, but I was getting some footage for y'all.
Thanks, Dan.
We're flying the drone before the sun sets.
Yeah, everyone said hi. It's now my vlog.
I love it.
So we're gonna set it up.
You know, it's really hard to change the name of the YouTube channel.
It's a hard thing to do. Come sit with us.
Okay. Okay, I wish you guys could see because the view is really pretty behind.
It's beautiful.
I did show them as I was walking over. Where's the drone, Keith?
It's 225 meters away.
What?
87 meters above.
Show the view.
Yeah, turn it around.
It's 8 o'clock, and Max didn't tell us to bring extra clothes, so
Yeah.
we're getting cold. Yeah, we're gonna start up the barbecues,
And
have
eat
some drinky
food.
poos, and see where the night brings us.
Yeah, it's been a lovely day. Very hot, and now it's gonna get very cold. Classic.
We never know what will happen with Max.
That is very true.
So-
True.
So we're gonna have
So
to
we're
end the
gonna
video now and put
see
our
what
gear away,
happens.
Yep.
and sort of enjoy this
It's
view.
gonna get dark, not dark. It's gonna get dark.
Stop.
We went swimming. It was lovely.
It's dinner.
We're in Whistler,
Go eat some
baby.
food.
We're in
Thanks so
Whistler.
much for watching our first day in Whistler. We'll see what happens tomorrow.
Yeah, thanks for watching me.
We'll see you for a few more days.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you all coming to Whistler to visit us. Can't believe you didn't put me in the video. Pretty upset about all
You're in the
this.
video all day. What are you talking about?
He didn't get the sign out like he wanted.
Tomorrow.
Well, let's just do it again. It's fine. We're here in Whistler. The sun's setting.
It is actually amazing. Plug Danika, go ahead. Plug yourself.
What
Your
about me?
sunscreen is all over your face.
Go see her
know.
play first in New York.
You gotta plug yourself.
Come see me in New York. I've got 2 plays coming up.
Be
September and
there.
October. Be there.
Alternatively, if you want ski and bike lessons, do you know how to call? That's me.
No.
You pointed at Keith. Point at yourself. Point at
This
yourself.
guy.
I was just playing with my mustache the entire time.
Oh my gosh, kiss.